we'll get right into it, lying on our back with a bend in the knees, and we're setting up with our mitra in the lower back position. Just a note, always make sure that your coloured line is facing up, so it's along the centre of your spine. So taking a posterior pelvic tilt, flattening your lower back into the mitra, taking a deep breath into your belly, bringing your arms to neutral 45 degrees from the sides of your body. As you breathe in, expanding into your belly, into your chest, and as you breathe out, allow your shoulders to relax. Slight tuck of your chin to keep the neck nice and long. Beautiful. Maintain the pelvic tilt. We're extending the right leg up towards the ceiling here. So deep breath in to flex your toes, and you'll feel a stretch through the back of your right leg. Now you might bring the leg a little bit lower if it's too intense, or a bit closer towards your face if you want a little bit more of a stretch. And I'm keeping a soft bend in the knees so the knee is not locked here. Deep breath in as you breathe out, lowering the leg, pointing the toe just as low as you can control, keeping your pelvic tilt as you move through this exercise. Deep breath in to lift your right leg, flex your toe, exhale to lower with control. Really think about activating the muscles through your belly here. Deep abdominal muscles engaging as you lower the foot towards the floor. You might be able to lower all the way down as you breathe out. And we're going for 10. Nice and slowly. Slower is harder, slower is more controlled. And like I mentioned, this is a really beautiful exercise for engaging our deep core muscles, which helps to reduce lower back pain. We've got this nice lengthened position of the lower back lying on our mitra like this. And so after your 10th lift and lower, we carefully bend that right knee once again towards the floor to reset the pelvis. So I let go of the pelvic tilt here before re-engaging the pelvic tilt, tucking the chin, and then going for 10 on the other side. So left leg lift, flexing your left toes towards your face, and then as you lower, pointing your left toes. Again, only as low as you can control. You might notice some difference between left and right side. That's really normal. Don't worry, I'm a bit weaker on this left side, so it's a little bit harder for me to connect with that mind muscle activation of the left-sided deep abdominal muscles. So I'm really having to focus here on tuning in to those muscles, thinking about drawing in gently through the belly as I lower the leg down towards the floor. And as you practice this exercise and go on with this exercise, perhaps daily, you'll notice that you do build more control and more fluidity in the movement. After your 10th lift and lower, bend that left knee back towards the floor. Taking a deep breath in here. Reset the pelvis, let the hips relax. And then at this point, I like to take the mitra out for a little rest to reset the spine. Hopefully you feel that sense of length through the lower back, that sense of decompression and space that we've created between all those vertebrae in your lower back, before perhaps doing another round.